Hello friends, welcome to Independent Learning. My name is Raj Shah and today we are continuing with the chapter triangles. So this is the last lecture on this chapter. Okay, from the next video on we'll be starting with the new chapter, which is quadrilaterals. Okay, so in the previous video we saw different theorems and questions based on them. Okay, we saw about perpendicular bisector theorem, angle bisector theorem and all those theorems, inequalities and all. Okay, in this theorem we are going to discuss about triangles when they are similar. Okay, so when two triangles are similar, what are the angles, what are the difference, what is the relation between the angles and their sides, okay, of the two triangles. We'll see that, and we'll also see how to write similarity and what is the meaning of similarity. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, before explaining that, let me draw two triangles. Let's say this is A, B and C. This is one triangle, and let's say if I draw this as P, Q and R. Okay, so when two triangles, we are talking about similarity. Similarity of triangles we are talking about. Okay, so we have to say that PQR and ABC, these two triangles, they are similar. So if these two triangles are similar, we write it like this: triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ and R. Okay, so similarity is this, congruent is this, similarity is just this. Similarity is just this. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So this is how you represent whether the two triangles are similar or not. Okay, now let's see what happens with the angles and the sides of two similar triangles. So if we say that two triangles are similar, if they are, then we can say that these corresponding angles, they are congruent. So we can say P is congruent to A, or you can say A is congruent to P, because ABC I have written, so we'll say A congruent to P. Then we can say angle B congruent to Q, correct? And angle R is congruent to angle C. So when the two triangles are similar, their angles are congruent. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So that is one condition if two triangles are similar for angles. Then for sides, what happens when two triangles are similar? Let's see. So if we write AB, okay, side AB. If I write this corresponding side AB ka from PQR, what is the side which is similar to AB? It is PQ. So it is AB upon PQ. You take the ratio of all the three sides, okay, these two sides, AB upon PQ, then take QR upon BC, correct, equal to, this is, I've written it should be BC upon QR. Okay, because we are writing on the top, we are writing about ABC, and then this will be AC upon PR. Okay, so when the triangles are similar, we can say that their ratios, okay, are same. I mean, the ratios are proportional, you can say. That means if I take, let's say this side, okay, PQ is 2 and this is 4, correct? And let's say this is 4 and this is 8. So if you want to find AB upon PQ, so AB upon PQ is 4 upon 2, correct? And this is AC and PR. So AC upon PR is again 8 upon 4. This is equal to 2 and this is also equal to 2. They both are equal. Okay. So I hope you have understood. What did I try to say is that the sides are proportional of two similar triangles. That means they are not equal. It doesn't mean that they are equal. See, 4 and 2, then 8 and 4 if I take. So if their sides are not equal, they are just proportional. That means when you take the ratio, they are equal. Okay. So I hope you have understood. So what did we understand from this? When two triangles are similar, it is written like this first of all, and we saw that angles are congruent, okay, of two similar triangles, and their sides are proportional. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Okay, so there is I mean in congruence, okay, when two triangles are congruent, we say that all the angles are congruent, okay, corresponding angles of the two triangles, and also the sides are congruent if the two triangles are congruent, like this. if we say if we say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For example, this triangle and this triangle, they both are congruent. Let's say something like this. It looks like this: ABC and PQR. So these two triangles, if you see, let's say that these two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, then okay, we can write it like this. So we have already done this in previous videos, okay, about when two triangles are congruent. Okay, we can prove it by various tests we have discussed already: SAS test, SSS test, hypotenuse side test, yes or no, etc. So when two triangles are congruent, we say that their angles are congruent. Okay, angle A congruent to angle B, B congruent to Q, C congruent to R, correct? All the angles are congruent, and also the sides are congruent. So here there won't be proportionality. There will be these two will be congruent. So AB is congruent to PQ, BC congruent to QR, and AC congruent to PR. So this is what we get when the two triangles are congruent. AB congruent to PQ, AC to PR, and BC to QR. All of them are congruent. So that's the difference between congruence and similarity. Okay, angles and angles, they both are congruent in both, but in similarity the sides are proportional. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. With the help by understanding similarity, I took the difference between similarity and congruence also. Okay, now let's see some questions based on similarity. Okay, let's see. So let's take one question. Okay, so this says, okay, these two triangles are given and we have to find length, okay, length AC and PQ. Okay, so these two sides we have to find AC and PQ. Okay, this is what we need to find. Now what is the data given here from the two triangles? Okay, so what is given? This is 90, this is 90. So these two angles are congruent. Then this angle and this angle is congruent. See, with the notation they have already shown. Then if two angles are congruent, then the third will also be congruent. Yes or no? Because if this is 90 and let's say this angle, let's say it's 60 degree or let's say 30 degree, consider. So if this is 60 and this is, sorry, this is 30 and this will also be 30, then this side, this angle will be what? 60, because sum of the angles is 180. Same with this will also be 60. Therefore, these two angles will also be congruent. Yes or no? So we can say if angle A is congruent to angle P and B is congruent to Q and C is congruent to R, correct, by sum of angles of triangle 180 degree, correct. So with the help of this, we are saying that all the angles are congruent. Yes or no? So if all the angles are, if they are congruent, then can we not say that their sides are proportional? Won't they become similar? Yes or no? Therefore, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Therefore, we can say their sides are proportional. Therefore, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR Okay, so if you're taking for triangle ABC on the top, you should always keep it on that top itself. Okay, never change the order. Then AC upon PR. Correct. Let's substitute that. AB is what? AB is 3. PQ we need to find equal to BC is 4 upon QR. Okay, QR is 6 equal to AC we need to find. Okay, this and this is to be found. So AC upon what is it? PR. So PR is 7.5. Okay, so this is what is given to us and we need to find PQ and AC. Now consider these two. Okay, consider these two, find PQ. Consider these two, find AC. Okay, easy as that. Let's consider that. So 3 upon PQ is equal to 4 by 6. Correct, cross multiply. So you get 4 PQ is equal to 80. Correct, therefore PQ is equal to 18 upon 4, which is 9 by 2, which is 4.5. Correct. So we get PQ as 4.5. So this is done. Now let's take these two. So 4 upon 6 equal to AC upon 7.5. Correct. Cross multiply. So 4 into 7.5 equal to AC into 6. So 6 AC is equal to 4 into 7.5 can be done. Right. So that will give you 30. So AC is equal to 30 upon 6. That will be 5. Okay. So I hope you have understood this. PQ is 4.5 and AC is 5. Okay. So this is it from my side on this topic on similarity of triangles. Okay, we saw what is the difference, I mean what is similarity, and then what we saw what is the difference between similarity and congruence. Okay, and we saw one question. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now in the next video, as said at the start of the video, we'll be continuing with the chapters. Okay, we'll be starting with a new chapter, quadrilaterals. Okay, so if you have understood this video, make sure that you share it with your friends. Okay, thank you for watching.